So B. So as we understand, if you have an electric oven, like with the ignition, that's the issue. That's for sure the issue. So and this, if you have a Shabbos mode in more modern one, do we have? I'm not sure if we have. I don't remember if we have Shabbos mode. Maybe yes, maybe no. Don't remember. But I mean, we don't use it. Like if we use it with the black, it's always on. So like who needs the Shabbos mode? Like we never put anything in the stove. But if we do, we will make sure we turn the switch off. So I mean, so it's not very practical. Okay. Right, but if somebody wants to create a new fire, so make sure that the ignition is off. That's very important. Okay, so B, electronically ignited gas stoves and oil. Here we go. Gas stoves and oils, which are ignited by electric pilot, may not be turned on Yom Tov. So I mean, I had this question. Somebody asked me, and of course, person said, "Yeah, but now." The wife said that they need a new stove. Cautious, I said, "Please stop it." Like I mean, they explained me. I asked him like, "How old is your stove? Is it like 100 years old?" They said, "No, we bought it 5 years ago." I mean, these stoves are good quality. They can last much longer. They're not very rich people. So I said, I told them if they want to just disconnect, they like pull the plug off. That's it. But that's a simple solution. If you want to buy new stove, there is no problem. But if you don't want to spend money for whatever reason, there is no such obligation. Just unplug the stove, and when you turn off the gas knob, nothing is going to happen. I mean, the gas is going to go. Just use the match. The olden days. Right, but they say like electronic, of course, yeah, like you complete the electronic circle, this and that. So there are many reasons why it is forbidden. Okay. Okay. There are two practical methods of using the electrically ignited gas stove or oven on Yom Tov. Okay, number one, the burner should be turned on before Yom Tov, so that the electronic ignition is never used on Yom Tov. I mean, that's like no-brainer, right? So that's what we always do. Just leave it on, and that's it, right? So no problem. And second one, a cord providing electric current to ignition should be unplugged before Yom Tov. Yeah, exactly as we said. I mean, it's a simple solution, but some people don't think of it. But some people get annoyed that they have to like set time every time. After you unplug, you have to set time. I don't know what is that to be annoyed about. I mean, you want to buy a new stove, buy a new stove. Okay, so continue. So section C, gas ovens with electronic gas valve and igniters. Gas ovens with electronic gas valve and igniters. So that's, I think, what we have. The technology of stoves and ovens are constantly changing, with the increasing number of the function being performed electronic. So meaning what, like, why is it electronically? Because there are many settings in this stove. You say, for example, like, I don't know, 550 degrees or 350, whatever you set the temperature, and it's going to keep the temperature. You understand? So if you just keep if you turn like on olden days, you put the fire. She would look at the stove, right? Okay, this fire, that fire, little bigger, little smaller, and she would know like approximately what it should be. Like you have to be very, very talented person to know what the temperature, unless they have this thermometer, but it's a little more primitive. But today, you need to regulate. But today they do all of the regulation by themselves. Right, you say 350, and it's going to warm up gradually to 350, and then it stops, and then would keep keep the same temperature. Right, sometimes it would the fire is going to go up, down. So that's why you need all of the electronics. Right, on a top, on a stove top, you really need all of this. I mean, maybe there is some exist, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's easier to regulate in a stove because there is a climate control. I mean, because of the seals. There is no like escaping of heat, at least not so much. Okay, so continue. The permissibility of using new type of ovens on Yom Tov, that depends on through understanding of the technology involved. So, for example, ours absolutely forbidden. It's very simple. Such the discussion goes beyond the scope of this work, and is any case rendered obsolete for further changes in technology. Okay. Consequently, whether a new type of oven is installed, one should discuss halachic implications with a knowledgeable halachic authority. So basically, like I looked at a few stores when we were looking to buy some years ago. So I mean, all of the electronics are out of the question. Some with the Shabbos mode, I mean. Let's put it this way. So I said, who said that? And it was a very minority of opinion. Most of them do not agree. Right? I'm not going to say from what, because it's and some company they do not know. They say, oh, kosher. Okay, so we're going to get kosher. Oh, it's kosher is better. Okay, we're going to make it kosher. That's it. You understand? Just because they say something is kosher, unless there is a reliable Hashkafa behind it. So, for example, right? So it's almost not kosher. Like it was a minority of the opinion who agreed. And I read what he said. Did not sound very convincing to me, especially when all of the arguments against it. Same. We have a company. What is it? They looked at tablets, like jointed tablets, and inside they have a K, the letter K. So it's not reliable HaShem, absolutely not. But they like go to all of this non-Jewish business. It's they want to go kosher. I mean, who is going to get this HaShem? I don't know. Maybe non-Jews would get, because they say it's kosher. Maybe who like to get kosher. Maybe some are reform. I don't know. Reform usually don't care. So, but if they a little care, so they would buy. But no religious person would buy that. You understand? But the company do not know. They say it's kosher, and on a website, like on the website of the store, you say, I want to buy kosher cheese, for example, right? Right. So and right, and they give you all of these tablets cake. They're not kosher. Okay. Not reliable person. Okay. Unfortunately. Okay. So, okay. And how do you know, like, who is reliable or not? You go to kosher website, to kosher store, the website, and see nobody carries this brand, this HaShem. It's very, very simple. Okay. All right. So as he said, and I confirm. So that's a lot of issues. So don't put yourself in that situation, right? And plus, in like, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago, if you want to buy the kosher mode, like stove is kosher, I don't know, maybe more, I don't remember, whatever. Rabbi, it was like, I don't know, like 30% more. 30% more. Today's price is like not 30%, maybe 5-10% more. Like sometimes it's exactly the same price. I'm not sure what they changed, but in most cases it's not needed. Okay.